In addition to a massive library of raw sound material, Superior Drummer 3 introduces a unique design, a streamlined workflow and countless features for powerful drum production in your computer. With Superior Drummer 3, you have control and creative power beyond the imaginable. Welcome to the future. Superior Drummer 3, the ultimate framework for percussive sound design, including a comprehensive collection of drums, built-in mixer effects, drum audio to MIDI conversion and much, much more. Welcome to the future of drum production, a creative playground where no rules apply. The idea with Superior Drummer 3 is to let you step into a virtual studio with the best possible raw material and mix options at your disposal to create drum sounds in an environment where only your imagination sets the limits. Combining the creative power of the sounds, the ambiances and the extensive set of features, Superior Drummer 3 is more than just a drum sampler, it's a bottomless well of creativity. It bridges the gap between acoustic and electronic and lets you venture off into completely new sonic landscapes. This is the definitive tool for percussive sound design. The Superior Drummer 3 core sound library was recorded by award-winning engineer George Massenburg at probably the world's most quiet and ideal location for sampling, the Galaxy Studios in Belgium. The library boasts in excess of 230 gigabytes of raw sound material captured in extreme detail. In addition to close microphones and several ambience positions, the Superior Drummer 3 setup also includes 11-room microphones set up in a surround configuration, for use in anything from stereo to 5.1, 9.1 and all the way up to 11.1 systems. In combination with the large selection of extra instruments added for stacking and sound design purposes, the sounds of Superior Drummer 3 give you an incomparable palette of options to craft drum tones beyond your wildest imagination.